Well, away from the Tokyo Paralympics, a verdict is expected in the case of former athletics chief Lamine Diack and his son Papa Massata Diack in the coming week. The former IAAF president and his son have denied charges of corruption, influence trafficking and laundering money. Earlier, we spoke to Papa Massata Diack, who's been residing in Senegal, and began by asking him about critical evidence he said he would table to prosecutors that he claimed would exonerate him fully.
Yes, indeed. I was able on the 7th of November 2019, when the French investigation came to Senegal for international regulatory commissions. I did table all the 35 questions with all the documentations and my bank account details, showing that all those accusations of receiving funds from the Russian athlete is totally unsubstantiated and totally false. I was able to give them also evidence on the television rights agreement that they claimed that was 6 million euros. It was $1.2 million and signed by the IAAF General Secretary, the Frenchman S.R. Gabriel. I was able to prove them that the VTB contract, contrary to what they were saying, is totally unlinked to any doping cases, because I signed that contract on the 29th of December 2006 with VTB, and it was renewed on the 19th of January, while the doping cases started to be called on June 2012 before the London Olympic Games. I was able to prove them that when they say that I was in a meeting on the 4th of December 2012 in Moscow, meeting the manager of Lilia Shobokova, I was able to prove them that they are totally untrue, because I proved with my passport that I was there on the 5th of December at 19 hours. So I think they were totally mismarred by my revelations, and I think that was a good case for my father and myself. First of all, I think any decision that they can take, if it's not in our favor, we can go to the Court of Appeals, to the appeal courts. But the second option is, first of all, I don't see the way they can really substantiate those accusations. The judges, the sitting judges that are doing the trial, are different from the investigating judges. The investigating judges fail to prove any of their allegations, because at the Court of Justice, you need to bring a proof. They did a lot of media campaign tarnishing our names. But in Paris, when the prosecutors say that 23 Russian athletes paid to account owned by Papa Massata Diack in Singapore, they were not able to prove one single wire from Russia to Singapore, one single wire from Russia to Senegal, from any athlete. So I think I'm totally confident that the court will be in favor of my father and myself.